Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to unsubscribe from apps on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your iOS is up to date. If not, please go to Settings and then go to General and go to Software Update. And then you should be able to see the message which says iOS is up to date. And then, if you still don't have an updated iOS, just simply click on Download and Install. Once you have updated your iOS, you may now go to App Store right here, and then click on your profile found on the upper right corner. Once you are here, click on Personalized Recommendation, and click on Subscriptions under the Your Interaction with the App Store section. So click on subscriptions and then wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, you may now see the list of your subscribed apps. So you just simply choose one of those apps and then, for example, I will just choose this one. You may click on cancel subscription found on the bottommost part of that app. So just a recap, make sure that your iOS is up to date. Proceed to your App Store, click on your profile found on the upper right corner, click on Personalized Recommendations, click on Subscriptions, click on the app that you want to unsubscribe, and then click on Cancel or Unsubscribe app found on the bottommost part of this page. So that's it. That's how you can unsubscribe from apps on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.